face so shiny?
You should take a picture of the car just like that.
Okay.
Tierra
So-
was sleeping like that.
We just got to Universal. It was raining cats and dogs for about 10 minutes, but not anymore. So we're about to go to the park. You ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
Let's do this.
So how is the rain now? It's still raining. Don't act like
It's a little drizzle.
It's drizzling, but it ain't nothing. Ain't nothing we can't handle.
We on the ultra light beam. We on the ultra light beam. This is a gadget. This is a gadget. This is everything. Mommy. Say hi, mommy.
Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look, guys. It's Universal Studios. Beam, we on the ultralight beam. This is a caution. It's still raining. Amber, don't act like Cat in the Hat ain't your man. Yes, Amber. So welcome with the ninjas.
She start changing her ways.
Look, this is my favorite ride right here. Woo! Woo!
Today it will be because it's coming rain.
Well, he being a hater. Let me tell you how some people walk by. They look soaking wet, like they jumped in a pool. The devil is a lie. That will not be us. Not today. Everybody got ponchos. We get free ponchos? They cost money. That's flaw. She working when I'm in here. It say attractions that way.
But we're gonna go through the thing.
Those are people coming.
You got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend too.
And you walk through security and you turn into a model. Show them your pose, Amber. Yes. Work, Amber, work. Amber backed by popular demand on YouTube. Shout out to Baby. Look at her. Look. Look at, there go my sisters. Look at Malcolm and Antonio. This is so jank. So it's raining extremely hard, and we just saw somebody slip, and Amber laughed at them. She real flaw.
You laughed too.
I did.
She was the first one to laugh.
They almost busted their butt. Go Amber, go Amber, go Amber. Amber, you not gonna dance? Amber, come dance with me. Get it, mama. Go, mama. Get it, mama. Come on. Hey, hey, hey.
Go, go, go. Hey, hey.
You got the power, Amber? Look it, it's the Universal Ball. Ah, look it, it's the Universal Day. So we about to get our tickets. Actually, everybody else has a pass. I'm the only one who needs a ticket. How we get through this day?
Right here.
Why is it so expensive? It's expensive.
Hey sir, if I make a suggestion, if you leave it up like that, we can just scan it too, so you kind of pull it out all the time. Make it a
Hi.
little quicker for you. Hi. Finger please.
Got a new camera?
Yep.
It looks pretty new.
Yeah, she's holding like a baby. I don't blame you. Come on
Thank
in.
you. Turn up! Oh my goodness. Turn up! We in this.
Just upside down.
We are in this. Let's go. You don't remember? Okay, so what rides we going to first, fam?
We're going around to the mummy.
Mummy! What's them things? They look like little dots. They some flower baddies. Look at those flower baddies. One day, my name will be on one of these stars.
Okay.
Look at the sky, y'all. It's so tall.
Well, this is not right.
In the closet, there's my stuff. Just if I bought it, please don't touch. Keep talking that mess, that's fine. But can you talk and walk at the same time?
Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind.
Oh snap! You lit up there? You like, hey ladies, yeah.
They want bad, we don't treat you right. I don't care, you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm rude. Want me to watch you do. Don't care, you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one, one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one, one time.
Optimus Prime got messed up trying to put the earth in our hands. He shouldn't have done that. Turn up!
Then what
We
about
got the hater blockers.
the more eyes we have, the better.
Hater blockers.
We'll have to react fast.
Oh, what's over there?
Okay, and
Oh snap, turn up. Turn up for the mummy. Yes.
okay, which one we going in? 554.
Amber, you can't even reach it. Amber can't reach the locker. That's petty. So we just got off the mummy. How was it, family?
It was wild.
The mummy was wild. How you feel about the mummy? I loved it. Daddy, how was the mummy?
So it's funny watching you just about freak out, not know what's gonna happen.
The mummy was lit. It was dark. You couldn't see nothing. A rainy day at Universal.
Okay.
Now entering Harry Potter World.
They want bad, we don't treat you right. I don't care, you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm rude. Want me to watch you do. Don't care, you look so nice, but you're not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need
Okay.
I got two phones. One for the black and one for the left. I got two. I'm done. I was like, ring, ring, ring. Ring, 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 ring. Krusty Land. Amber, you belong in Krusty Land. Okay, we switching.
so nice, but not nice, you're rude. Look what you're putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need
go break dance in the middle of the park.
Look at the little bunny.
Ready? Stop pressuring me. Stop pressuring me. Stop. Let me stop harassing people. You want this for life? Taking pictures on my eyes, but I can't have no wife. I just want you for the night. Hey, no. Oh. She just stepped in the biggest puddle ever. Are you okay? We got dark. Bruh, we're so happy. So you know how it was raining all day? Okay, we got walk fast and talk. You know how it was raining all day, y'all? And all the rides were like, a whole bunch of the rides were closed. And the big roller coaster we wanted to get on, it's on now. Like we can get on. Which way we do it? We can get on. So we're on our way to the big roller coaster.
Look at the people having a good time.
What people?
On the roller coaster.
You can't even see them. On our way to the rockin' roller coaster. Rockin' roller coaster. Hey.
This better be so lit.
Yes, they lit. Yes. That drop though. Okay. Okay.
Such a bad headache.
We just got off the ride. Somehow we got in the front row. We didn't even plan on that. And
I feel like that was actually faster than
I couldn't breathe. I was screaming, wait. I want to get off.
You couldn't even scream when it was going down. I heard you.
I was trying to scream. Nothing was coming out. Alright, well, that's it. Universal for today.
Yeah, it was lit.
It was lit. It's TNT Creations signing off.
Bye.
Come on, and we're dealing with the Universal bomb. Look at it's the Universal. Emma, come on. We gotta do a picture.